Hello class, today what we're going to be doing is I'm taking the code that I finished up with the mouse clicker counter thing with the money and currency with two buttons and making it so there's an image attached. I have this basic code, which is my image code, and then I have my mouse clicking code, and what I want to do is now import an image. So I have my two images. I have my girl image, which is this, and I have my soda Pepsi, which is this, and so I put them right next to my Java file, which is right here inside the same directory that the project is in. So now what I want to do is import this code over into this code. So what I need to do is copy this, and this over here. So I first I want to find and replace photo. So I type in photo. I want to replace all instances of photo with girl coffee. And I'm going to replace all. And now I'm going to copy these lines of code over here. So boom. And then I need to copy this whole section over into my init right here. And then I need to do the g.draw image. Copy this over right here. And notice I'm going to be pasting this right there because I want to change my XY width length to my double clicked button. And then I'm going to be commenting out my double clicked button because I no longer want the fill rect. I want to do the g.draw image. And so now when I compile and run this, it will not work. There's auth.image. So I need my java.auth.image. When I compile this, boom, no syntax errors. So now when I run this, it's not going to show up the picture. It's not going to show up anything, even though the picture is there. As you can see, the button's working. That's because I have the wrong file name. So I have to go back and change this to the same exact file name that's here, which is girl.jpg, or JPG in this case. So I need to go here and say girl. And now when I compile and run this, and now the picture will show up, boom, and it works. So now I want to change the other one. To do the other one, I just go back over here, and I want to do find, replace girl coffee with Pepsi. I'm going to replace all. I go back into my code, and again I'm copying this line over here. I no longer need to copy this whole thing. I just need these two lines in here. So I'm going to copy these two lines right here. Now when I'm redeclaring this, I don't want to redeclare, I just want to reuse it back to you. And now I need to change this to, I think it's to soda Pepsi. And my last one is my draw, so I need to go back down to paint. And again, I'm going to no longer use my wall button. I need to replace the values right over here. And I'm commenting out my g.fillRect. And now when I compile and run it, hopefully it'll work because I got the right file name. And boom, I have soda. I have a girl spilling her coffee because she should have drank soda. And my buttons are still working. So that's pretty much it. That's how to implement images into your buttons. Make sure you comment out your old rectangles, because if I don't, I will now have a green rectangle there because the green rectangle is below the Pepsi image. Technically the Pepsi image is still there. If I go like this, we might be able to see it at some point. Probably not, because it takes way longer to draw the image than it is a rectangle. So when I go back here and comment it out, now it'll go back to this setup, which is right here. Boom. Yay. And that's pretty much it. That's how to implement images into your Java file. Have a good one. I will see you later.